In this video, I am going to discuss about total energy consumption of United States since 1973. Apart from that, I will discuss about different sectors' energy demand of America. Unit details, what I use in my video, you can see 1 million ton oil equivalent equal to 1163 crore electric unit. You can convert it into British thermal unit also. It's a huge, you can see 3.968 into 10 to the power 13 BTU, British thermal unit. So here you can see how the energy demand is gradually increasing year-wise. So you follow the year and corresponding energy consumption of United States is changing year by year. So here you can see the maximum energy comes from oil products like petrol, diesel and others. And apart from this, a huge amount of energy is come from natural gas, and they use electricity a lot, and some heat and biofuel and waste also involved in this. So it's just gradually increasing, you can see, and in 2005 it's near about 1560 million ton oil equivalent. And finally, in 2017, the total energy demand of United States was 1,519 million ton oil equivalent. So you can see it's a huge energy required for United States. And now you can check the balance sheet of United States. Here, oil production is 591 MTOE. And oil imports is 443 MTOE, and oil product imports 73, coal production 373, coal import 4 MTOE, it's very less, and gas production is 642 MTOE, and gas import is 70, much less than the production. And bio-waste 103, bio-waste import only 2 MTOE, and electricity import is also very less. According to their demand, it is only 6 MTOE, and there is, you can see the geothermal is 9 production, and other production like solar and wind and like renewable energy 30, and hydro is 26, and nuclear production is huge. Like all other country, it is much huge. You can see 219 MTOE. Okay, actually this was the balance sheet. So now check sector-wise energy consumption. For industry, they need 262 MTOE. It's a huge energy they are using for industrial purpose. And here you can see the energy comes from different products like oil products, coal, natural gas, biofuel and waste, electricity, heats, and most of the energy they are getting from natural gas. And transportation sector, they use energy 625 MTOE, and most of the energy come from oil products, and some energy come from biofuel and waste, and natural gas also involved, but it percentage is very less, and some electricity is used, but mostly oil product is used for their transportation. And here is iron and steel is 17 MTOE, chemical and petrochemical, that is 72, transport equipment 8, machinery 16, and mining is 9 MTOE, food and tobacco, that is 19 MTOE, paper, pulp and print, that is 44 MTOE, construction 12, textile and leather 2, road is 529, and domestic aviation, that is 58, rail 12 MTOE. Residential is a huge energy demand of United States, that is 244, and most they are using natural gas, you can see, and electricity is 118. And biofuel and waste is only 8, but for residential purpose they use less amount of biofuel and waste. For India it is the highest. If you consider India, it is the highest biofuel and waste. So commerce and public sector use 206 MTOE, is a huge amount they are using, and for agriculture and forestry they are using 21 MTOE. So thank you for watching this video. If you find the video is helpful, then you can share this video with others. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Also you can check out the description box for such kind of energy analysis of different countries.